Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I manage my fonts. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I talk a lot about Creative Fabrica. While I source fonts from many websites, Creative Fabrica is my website of choice because all of their fonts come with a commercial license and can be used with cutting machines such as a Cricut or a Silhouette. Further to this, they also have a font manager called FontCloud. You can use it on a Mac or Windows PC. It allows you to view all the characters, even the special ones, and best of all, it is completely free to use. So as you can see, I am logged into my FontCloud account. Here you will see all my fonts currently installed, and here you will see a preview of all the fonts. You can add all your fonts here by either browsing your computer or just simply dropping the file straight in here. This section here is what I am most excited about. I can type in my text and it will show me what my word will look like for every font. Once you find the font that you want, you just need to click on it. Here you will see all the characters available for that font. It will also show up special characters, and these are highlighted with a blue line. There is a section here that you can add notes. So you could put in the license details if you need to do so you know which ones are used for commercial and which ones are used for personal. Now getting back to those special characters, you may notice that special characters, glyphs and swashes are not showing up in Design Space, but by using FontCloud you are able to add these easily. All you need to do is go to Design Space and add some text using the same font. Go back to FontCloud and select the character you want to use. It will copy to clipboard and from there go back into Design Space. On your keyboard, select Ctrl+V if you're using a PC or Command+V if you're using a Mac to paste. You should now see your special character. I'm very excited about this font manager. It has been something that I use every day and an incredibly helpful time saver. I will leave a link to the manager and also the font I used in the video description. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to see more videos just like this one, and if this video helped you, give it a big like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.